Applying for Dominica citizenship under the Citizenship by Investment program is a straightforward and transparent process, offering honest and responsible individuals the opportunity to become part of a dynamic Caribbean nation and fulfill their desire to improve mobility, provide security to their loved ones, and explore new business prospects. The application process consists of 5 key stages. Step 1. To initiate the process of obtaining Dominica citizenship, you need to reach out to a registered agent or developer, who will assist in filing the application and preparing the necessary documents in accordance with the requirements of the Citizenship by Investment program. Step 2. For a successful application for Dominica citizenship, it is necessary to collect and submit all required documents through a registered agent within 60 days. Additionally, applicants should be prepared for potential requests for additional information from the government. Step 3. By the time documents are submitted, applicants are required to pay government fees for application processing. Subsequently, citizenship candidates undergo a comprehensive due diligence check and a mandatory interview, which can be conducted either virtually or in person. This stage ensures the legitimacy of investment and transparency of the applicant's intentions. Step 4. Upon approval by the Dominica Citizenship by Investment Unit, the main applicant is given 30 days to transfer the final payments due to the government, registered agent and developer. Step 5. All participants in the citizenship application receive from the Citizenship by Investment Unit a certificate of naturalization, the first and main document confirming their belonging to the citizenship of Dominica. Based on this certificate, a citizen of Dominica is entitled to apply for a passport. To do this, the registered agent submits the corresponding application to the Immigration Department, which handles passport issuance and renewal. The developer issues a share certificate in the name of the main applicant. Once all documents are ready, they are sent via courier services. The process of obtaining Dominica citizenship takes between 3 to 4 months and does not require physical residency in Dominica. Start the process of obtaining citizenship through real estate investment by contacting us today.